this one is very sweet, and I like sweet things, as you might know. So if you come to Friuli Doc and you like sweet things, then get this, because it's sweet and it's good. And I've never liked beer in my life, but I like it, so go for it. Okay, so I learned that this beer is a Weissen beer, which is a white beer or Bianco beer. Oh, my friends ordered the fried fish plate, which looks very good. French fries, which looks very good. Polenta, cheese, and fungi, which looks very good. And again, I got these because I love them and they're really good, and I have to eat dinner later. Very good. They're digging in. This is the central part of Uhine, where they have the castle and the city hall, old city hall, because they have another building too. Hi, and I was watching MTV Italia, and I saw the end of a song by Ada Reina called Lei Balla. And I thought that, you know, I liked it, and I thought, why not do a reaction video to Ada Reina Lei Balla. I have it queued on YouTube. I've only seen the ending. I haven't seen the whole video yet, and I've never heard of Ada Reina. My Italian, especially when it comes to like TV and music and stuff, it's not that good. I don't really know what lei balla. I know lei means her or she. Balla, balla. You know? Eh? I don't. Okay, actually, I see that it came out May 20, 2014. So I just haven't seen it until now. So here we go. Not moving. Okay, now she's moving. I thought it wasn't working. She's really beautiful. I love her makeup. She has big eyes. I don't take baths with my clothes on, so maybe, I don't know. I hope I didn't scare you. It's a bit awkward here. She's all like emotional, but she's in the bath and the shower's on. She has her clothes on, so I feel kind of like, and I don't know how she can see with like water going into her mouth and stuff. Like it's raining on her, and she's supposed to be singing. I find scenes like this so weird because she's dancing alone. If I were doing that on the street, like, or on top of a hill, I wouldn't feel that comfortable, you know? I definitely wouldn't dance like that outside alone on a mountain, or I don't know. Oh my gosh. I really like this song. I think it's really funny. I mean, not funny. The video is funny. I think the video is funny, but I really like this song. And I don't know what I think about it. I just like it. I don't know what it means though. Or I would have to watch it again and again and again to get a better idea of what the song is about. Maybe I should check Google Translate and maybe I'll do that. And I liked the beginning a lot, and I just think she is so beautiful. I love how they did her makeup. I'm not a big nude makeup person. I like color, but I really like how they did her makeup, and she has amazing full lips and huge eyes, and so I'm pretty sure she'd look good in any makeup that she wears. And some scenes were kind of awkward. Yeah, I would give the song a 4 out of 5, probably. The video, I don't know. I don't understand what the concept of the video was. Was there a concept in this video? Because I didn't get it. Maybe I have to understand the song, but I didn't understand the video. It didn't have a story. I didn't understand why she was in the bath alone, taking a shower. In the bathtub with the shower on, with their clothes on. That was the awkward part of the video, which I thought was weird. And also this part. That was the part the dancing part I thought was kind of funny, but in a weird kind of awkward way. So it was a bit awkward, the video. A bit awkward, not totally awkward. So I would give the video a 3 out of 5 because of the shower bath scene and the head shaking part. So I think she should stick to making good songs and singing and forget about the dancing, and maybe have a story in her video that makes sense. That's what I think. But I've only watched the video once, and probably have to listen to videos, watch videos a few times to get more out of it and to see. Well, that's it. That's all I have to say. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please click like and subscribe, and ciao!